Hello guys, this is Rafiq with you. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 25 and 24H2 update for the August release. And this time, we're talking about the patch or the update for the middle of the month of August for Windows 11 25 H2 in 2026. As always, we're going to talk about everything that is new, that has changed, and that is fixed in this latest build. And the build that we're talking about in this video is the build 26200.9168 or build code KB5121003. So, let's begin with the video. First of all, if you want to receive this update, click on Start menu, then click on Settings, here click on Windows Update. Here you can see the security update KB5121003 and 26200.9168 already installed, pending to restart to take effect. For you, if it's not showing, click on Check for updates to receive the update. Then click on Download and Install to install. Once the installation is completed, click on Restart Now to restart computer. Okay, now system is restarted. Now let's see the update status. For that, go to Windows Update History page. Here you can see that the update 2026-8 Security Update KB5121003 26200.9168 is installed successfully. This update includes improvements from the following previously released updates. 3 updates from month of July, which is KB5101684, KB5121767, and KB5101650. I posted a whole video about KB5101684 update end of July. So I'll leave it linked if you'd like some more information because there were 6 new features in total, improvements, and a whole lot more. Check the video out if you'd like more information. But just a quick summary of some of the key highlights for the purpose of this video. First of all, in the File Explorer, file sizes in the Details view now display using appropriate units, kilobyte, MB, GB, instead of kilobyte only, making them easier to understand at a glance. Middle click to open a folder in a new tab is now supported in the address bar, and the home page for a more consistent and efficient tabbed navigation experience across File Explorer. This update eliminates a gray flash on load and unexpected scrolling to the top on the home page in certain cases. This update improves the appearance of file thumbnails in the recommended section on the home page so they're crisper and easier to read. Next, in Windows Search, this update improves app search to better handle typos and partial app names when finding installed apps. So as an example, if I type in Aint instead of Paint, you can see that it brings up the right app Paint, where previously that was not the case. This update improves settings relevance to surface more useful settings higher in search results. Next, in Voice Access. For Voice Access, we get to new features and some improvements. And Voice Access, as you may well know, is an accessibility feature in Windows 11. So the first new feature is the update adds voice isolation to Voice Access. Microsoft says, helping it better recognize your voice by reducing interference from other speakers and background noise. Voice Access now offers 3 speed recognition modes under Voice Access settings. The first is voice isolation. The second is you can now remove background noise only. And the third is no filtering. And then the second new feature to roll out for Voice Access is the update adds Korean language support for Voice Access. And Microsoft says it also improves the reliability of starting Voice Access. Next, in Widgets, we've got 2 new features rolling out where Microsoft says that taskbar notification badges now use your Windows accent color instead of appearing red, helping reduce unnecessary attention-grabbing alerts. The next new feature is the update also simplifies the lock screen widgets. For new users, weather is now the only widget shown on the lock screen by default, which I think is great. Next, in Touchpad, we get a new feature where if you have the relevant hardware, I don't, but if you do, there are now new gesture controls for precision touchpads that are available in Settings Bluetooth and Devices Touchpad. The first is scroll and zoom speed, where you can adjust the baseline speed for scroll and zoom gestures, and then accelerated scrolling, where you can scroll faster the more you repeat the gesture, so you can move quickly through long documents. And just remember that these improvements for Touchpad are hardware specific. You need to have the relevant hardware. Next, in Windows Hello, there's a new feature where Windows Hello Enhanced Sign in Security or S now supports peripheral fingerprint sensors, which is great. Next, in Account Control, this update refreshes the design of the Start menu account control and adds a badge that displays your subscription status. To view your account control, open the Start menu and select your account picture in the lower left corner. This experience is available for users signed in with a Microsoft account. So as mentioned guys, that's just some of the key highlights that rolled out as part of our optional update for last month KB5101003, which are now bundled in our latest patch Tuesday update KB5121003. Check the video out if you want more information. There was a lot more going on. I've just gone over the highlights. So guys, that's more or less what's new as part of the August 2026 patch Tuesday security update for Windows 11, 25 and 24 H2. And if you're wondering if there are any problems with this update, according to Microsoft says it is not currently aware of any known issues with this update, which is good news. And now, if you're facing any issue for the installing this update, you can manually install it from Microsoft Update Catalog page. For that, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Update Catalog page and search for KB5121003 here. And you're going to find these updates that Microsoft has released. Of course, make sure you get the versions for you, which is the 64 version with build 26200 for 25 H2 and 26100 for 24 H2. You also have the ARM64 versions if you want to install them, if you have, of course, a supported ARM64%. And this is pretty much all about the patch or the update for end July 2026 for Windows 11 25 H2. That's all guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share and subscribe for more.